Here's how to add and set up your webcam in OBS Studio. To get started, obviously you want to go ahead and plug your webcam into your computer. Next, here in OBS, what you want to do is make sure that you have a scene created. As you can see, I already have two set up here, but if you want to create a new one, you just want to right-click inside the scene box, and then click Add Scene, change the name, and click OK. Now what we want to do is go and add our webcam into that scene. To do that, we want to make sure that we have our scene selected here, and then right-click inside of Sources, click on Add Source, and then select Video Capture Device. Now here we can go ahead and name our source, so I'm just going to name it Webcam, and then click OK. Next, you're going to see a screen like this pop up. What you want to do is at the top, click on Device, and then go ahead and select your webcam. For me, it's my Logitech C920 right here. You can then adjust some other settings if you want, then click OK. And then there you go. As you can see, I got my webcam working. If you want to change the size of your webcam, you can just drag on these red boxes in the corners, and you can also move your webcam around.